In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your navigation menu in the Page Builder if you want to update the links visitors see at the top of your site. This process is quick and straightforward. The navigation menu is one of the most important parts of your website because it helps people move from page to page, find key information, and understand the structure of your content. Making sure it's organized and up to date can improve both usability and the overall look of your site. To begin, go into the Page Builder and click on your navigation menu element. This selects the menu section you want to work on and opens the settings related to that specific menu. Make sure you're clicking the actual navigation menu element, not just a surrounding section or container, so the correct editing options appear. Once that's selected, look over to the left sidebar and click Edit Menu. This opens the menu editor, where you can manage the items that appear in your site navigation. From here, you'll be able to add new links and change the order of existing ones. If you want to add a new link, click Add Menu Item, then type the name you want visitors to see in the menu, such as Services, About, or Contact. After that, choose the appropriate type for that item. For example, you might select Link to URL if you want the item to go to a specific web address, or Link to Page if you want it to connect directly to a page already on your site. Choosing the correct type is important because it ensures the menu item sends people exactly where you want them to go. If you need to reorganize your menu, you can rearrange the items by dragging and dropping them up or down in the list. This makes it easy to place the most important pages first or group related items in a more logical order. As you move things around, think about how visitors will read the menu and which pages they're most likely to look for first. When you're happy with the changes, click Save Menu to apply them to your site. This final step is important because your updates won't appear live until the menu is saved. And that's it. By selecting the navigation menu element, opening the menu editor, adding or rearranging items, and saving your changes, you can keep your site navigation clear, polished, and easy for visitors to use.